Hello everybody, my name's Cantu here, and I am back from the video Transformers lesson class. What we have here is we have a cool Autobot. He is pretty awesome. He is yellow, and he has stripes, black stripes. So I think I already know who he is. He is Bumblebee. That's what it looks like, guys. Right there, pretty awesome. I like it. I like it has like a G1 head sculpt. Let's see. There's a G1 head sculpt. Pretty cool. And I'm gonna show you guys how to transform him. Sorry guys, like I said before, this time it really is my fault. My brother threw away a whole bunch of the text specs, and we'll take that. My brother threw them all away. But so yeah, I got mad at him. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to transform him. But first, let's do a size comparison. We're gonna do a size comparison with not Megatron, Optimus Prime Legends class. So we'll just get him out. Okay, so here he is. Seems to me that Bumblebee's a little taller. Oh no, they're the same size now. They're the same size. Okay, so I think Bumblebee's a little bit taller. So yeah, I want to show you guys how to transform him. What you gotta do is you gotta lift up the backpack. Well, I like how the backpack is right here. It's pretty cool. Lift up the backpack, and you gotta roll around like this. This on the arms, and push him in. Easy as that. You got to fold in the feet, just like that, and clamp them in together, and do that. Just that. Yeah, you gotta do just that. And that's about it. Sometimes it comes undone. It's like the back. It comes apart like right here, like right here, and here. And you have to clamp them in together like right here. But if you clamp them in perfectly, the back will mess up. But look at it. If I fix the back, the sides will come off. Which I don't know if that happens to you guys, but mine's like that. I don't know why, but yeah. And that's how it looks like. That's how it looks like. Oh well. That's how it looks like right there in his vehicle mode. Pretty cool. It's pretty weird how it has the Autobot symbol right there, but I prefer to have the Autobot symbol right here or right here, anywhere. So yeah, I like how it has black stripes with the red outlining. It's pretty cool. And I like how you can barely see his legs, and like it's like completely solid, like no hollowness anywhere. He drives pretty cool. He drives nice, like no mess up or nothing. So yeah, I want to transform Optimus Prime with him. So what you gotta do is fold in the head, push him on the body, fold in the legs, push him down, do this the arms, and fold them back, and push the arms. Just like that. And that's how I transform Optimus Prime. And do size comparison with the cars. As you can see, Bumblebee is taller than Optimus Prime. So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the video, and more videos, guys. So, like I said before, try to send me at least a Megatron or any kind of Autobot or Decepticon, any kind of transform. But I prefer Megatron or Optimus Prime. But no Legends class, no mini cons or nothing. But I don't know. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to me, and more videos, guys. So yeah, deuces.